Andrew Cuomo, the governor of New York, has been accused of sexual harassment by multiple women. He has denied all allegations and subsequently apologized for his comments being interpreted as sexually charged. On February 28, 2021, New York Attorney General Letitia James announced that she would hire and deputize a law firm to conduct an independent investigation into the allegations. On March 11, the New York State Assembly authorized an impeachment investigation into the allegations. Over 20 U.S. representatives from New York and over 120 New York state legislators have called for Cuomo's resignation, as has Bill de Blasio, the mayor of New York City, and both U.S. senators from New York, Chuck Schumer and Kirsten Gillibrand. Cuomo has refused to resign pending the results of James's investigation. President Joe Biden has stated his support for the ongoing independent investigation. Do not trust at Carl Heastie. His impeachment investigation is not designed to be transparent or to move fast. And there's nothing at NY.gov Cuomo wants more than time. Many of us have not put our whole lives on the line for this crap. I certainly have not and will not. March 17, 2021. In December 2020, Lindsey Boylan, a former aide to New York Governor Andrew Cuomo, and currently a candidate for Manhattan Borough President, accused him of sexual harassment and creating a toxic environment. At the beginning of March 2021, Boylan further stated that Cuomo had forcibly kissed her in 2018. Cuomo has denied these allegations. In an interview, Lindsey Boylan stated Andrew Cuomo propositioned her for sex, stating the following: "The governor's trying to sleep with me." On March 17, 2021, Boylan criticized Speaker of the New York State Assembly Carl Heastie and the New York State Assembly's impeachment investigation, tweeting, "What would be the point of survivors talking to investigators of your sham investigation?" At Carl Heastie, Boylan has been cooperating with the Attorney General of New York's independent investigation. Meeting with the investigators on March 16, 2021, in an article written by Ronan Farrow in The New Yorker, Boylan claimed Cuomo said an inappropriate comment concerning his new dog, Captain. After a February 2018 news conference, Cuomo's dog, a Shepherd Malamute mix, jumped up and down near her. Boylan claims that Cuomo said, if he were a dog, he would try to mount her as well. Boylan said she remembered being grossed out and that it was such a dumb third-grade thing to say. She did not respond to Cuomo's remark and said in the article, "I just shrugged it off." A Cuomo spokesperson declined to comment to the magazine on the claim. In late February 2021, Charlotte Bennett, an executive assistant and health policy advisor to Cuomo, accused Cuomo of sexual harassment, which included questions about her sex life. In a March 5, 2021 video interview with CBS Evening News anchor Norah O'Donnell, Bennett said that during a one-on-one meeting in the governor's office on June 5, 2020, Cuomo implied that I was old enough for him and he was lonely. Bennett went on to say that Cuomo's office director took the state's mandatory sexual harassment training for him. I was there. I heard say, "I can't believe I'm doing this for you," and making a joke about the fact that she was completing the training for him. And then I heard her at the end ask him to sign the certificate. In early March 2021, a third person, Anna Rach, a member of the Obama administration who later served on Joe Biden's presidential campaign, said that Cuomo put his hands on her back, was rebutted when she removed them, and then placed his hands on her face cheeks and asked to kiss her. A friend photographed Cuomo touching her face. On March 6, 2021, Anna Liss, a policy and operations aide to Cuomo from 2013 to 2015, became the third former aide to accuse Cuomo of sexual harassment. Liss said Cuomo called her sweetheart, touched her on her lower back, and also kissed her on the forehead when standing up behind her desk. On the same day that Liss accused Cuomo of sexual harassment, Karen Hinton, a former press aide for Cuomo when he served as the Secretary of Housing and Urban Development, also accused Cuomo of sexual harassment. She said that Cuomo called her into a hotel room and then pulled her back toward his body. On March 9, 2021, the Times-Union reported an anonymous executive mansion aide had accused Cuomo of calling her into his office, reaching under her dress, and fondling her. Cuomo denied the allegations. Jessica Bakeman, a former member of the Capitol Press Corps who worked for Politico New York, wrote about the atmosphere for women in Albany, NY, on March 12, for the New York Magazine website. She wrote that Cuomo had inappropriately touched her in 2012 and at a holiday party in 2014 and made multiple humiliating comments during her time covering him. She wrote of the incident in 2014, "Keeping his grip on me as I practically squirmed to get away."